In this problem, we're needed to find out the equation of a circle whose center has the coordinate 1, 2, and the circle passes through the point 4, 6. So let's begin. Now, in order to solve this problem, we will be using the standard form of a circle. So let's first understand what's the standard form of a circle. Suppose we have a circle with center O. The circle, the center O has the coordinate h, k. And the radius of the circle is r, then the standard form of the equation circle is going to be given by x minus h whole squared plus y minus k whole squared equals to the square of the radius. That means we need the information about the coordinate, coordinate of the center as well as the radius of the circle. Now in our case, we already have the coordinate of the center, which is 1, 2. But we do not have any information about the radius of the circle. So our goal will be to obtain the radius. So here we'll use the condition given here. It's mentioned here that the circle is passing through the point 4, 6. So this is, let's call it point P. The circle passes to the point P with coordinate 4, 6. Now using this information, we can find out the radius of the circle very easily. All we have to do is join point P and O, and this distance OP, that's going to be the radius r. Now how do we find out the distance? To do that, we'll have to use the distance formula. So let's first specify the distance formula. Let's say we have a point P1 with a coordinate x1, y1, and we have another point P2 with a coordinate x2, y2. Now if we want to find out the distance between point P1 and P2, which is going to be a straight line, then this straight line distance is going to be P1. P2 is given by, we'll take the square root, and underneath the square root, we will take the square of the difference of the x coordinate. So x2 minus x1 squared, and add it to the square of the difference of the y coordinate. So that's y2 minus y1 whole squared. Now in the case, P1, let's say P1 is given by the point P, which is 4, 6. And then we have the point P2, which is the center O, and it has been given that this is 1, 2. Then easily we can find out the value of the radius r. So OP, distance OP, which is nothing but the radius r, so this will be equals to square root, and underneath the square root we'll take the square of the difference of the x coordinate. So x2 minus x1 will be 1 minus 4 whole squared, plus we'll square the difference of the y coordinate, so that's 2 minus 6 whole squared. That's a very simple calculation. It comes out to be equals to 5. So now we have the radius. It has a value of 5. Now we know that the standard equation of a circle, which is given by x minus h whole squared plus y minus k whole squared, equals to the square of the radius. Since we are being provided with the center, so our center, which is 1, 2, so that's nothing but the coordinate of the center h, k, and that immediately tells us that the value of h is going to be 1 and the value of k is going to be equals to 2. We also have the information about the radius, which is 5. We already obtained it. So therefore, we now have x minus 1 whole squared plus y minus 2 whole squared, that will be equals to 5 squared. So this is going to be the standard form of the circle. We can keep the answer here, or we can further simplify this to get x squared plus y squared minus 2x minus 4y minus 20 equals to 0. So after expansion, we get this equation. So this is also going to be the equation of the circle. So both of the two answers are equally valid.